Good morning, Tuesday morning. Futures are down big. They're down from the close, 1267, trading 1251 as we speak, so down about 16 points overnight. The big chunk of this move is probably due to big earnings misses in the tech space primarily. We've got Apple, we've got Millicom Cellular down about 13%, Apple's down 10%. Baidu, which we got short. Apple, we came in short. We've been short for about a week when it pushed up towards 180, and we mentioned we had covered half yesterday into the swoon at 162. It rallied, and we actually bought a little call protection, but we're still net short, and we're covering the rest of that here this morning at around 150, a little bit below 150. That was our target. So we're taking our profits there on Apple. We are short Baidu. We got short yesterday. We did back spread it again, but Baidu is down as we speak. Probably $6-7, which is not a big percentage move, but a couple percent. Excuse me, it's down 875, so it's down a little bit more. Futures are trading below the pivot. The pivot is 1256 3/4 approximately. We are trading below that. You've got Priceline down $3. You've got Brocade down 23%. You've got SanDisk down 20%. New lows there. SanDisk 1451. So folks, tech is not that great as usual. Microsoft, Google already missed last week. So the continuation is happening here in the markets. There is no leadership. Oil has left us for now. Oil, speaking of oil, is down a little bit this morning. Well, John, at $1.40 trading 130.40 here this morning on the September contract. We did roll over last week. And again, the earnings were bad. RIM is down in sympathy with Apple. And Texas Instruments down big. Again, it just continues here. The financials are going to be open, gapping down again this morning. And I think that gap up yesterday was the perfect sell. I talked about it yesterday a little bit. And again, if you sold some of those financials off the gap yesterday, that was a total fade trade as this market had gotten. This is a great market to trade because it gets over exuberant on both the upside and the downside, and you can take advantage of that. So this is definitely a trader's market. You can take advantage. There is no momentum, especially to the upside, and it is a bear market, and I think you can continue to sell big rallies because people get scared, they make a little bit of money if they are long, and they take it and it goes back down. So again, looking at some charts, we did get shorts in Baidu yesterday. I think Deckers is going to be good short here into the fall, the shoe company. I think there's a number of companies that are still overvalued that are going to continue to go down. Financials, again, we'll see how long this Band-Aid works by the Fed. We'll be back later. Have a great open. Also, just to point out, gold is up 770, 10-year is 40.73, and that's about it. Again, we'll be back later. Have a great open. We are trading below the pivot, so right now I'd look for a test of the pivot, 1256 and change. I'd be a seller, and I'd probably get long above 1260 right now if we were able to recapture that. But I'd be selling rallies today, again, up to 1257. And we'll go from there.